check this out.
For 99 mornings, the sun never came at all.
Take it to the sky clock before the last star fades.
Not tonight!
Beyond the city, beyond the clouds, the old machine still waited.
Just a little farther.
But light alone would not wake the dawn. The clock demanded something living.
Take my brightest memory.
And at last, the morning sun remembered the world once more.
Welcome back.
Everything you just saw in these video clips, I made all of that using an AI platform that literally just launched. And right now, it's free. Let's get into it. The platform is called Anijam, and the best way I can describe it is it's the ChatGPT of animation. Like, that's genuinely what it feels like. You open it up, there's a prompt box right in the middle of the screen, just like a chatbot, and you just start talking to it. You describe your idea, your story, your concept, and this AI agent handles the entire production pipeline for you. We're talking script writing, storyboarding, character design, image generation, video generation, voiceover, lip syncing, background music, and final export, all inside one platform. No switching between tools, no subscriptions to 5 different apps. Now, before I show you the tutorial, let me just quickly tell you how the free plan works, because I know that's the first thing you're thinking about. When you sign up right now, you get around 1,500 free credits to start. And after that, you get 200 free credits every single day. It's in beta right now, which is exactly why they're giving everyone free access. They want people to try it, test it, and give feedback. The link is in the description. Go sign up after you watch this. Oh, and one more thing. You do not need a PC to use this. I'm recording this tutorial on my desktop, but you can literally do this entire process right now on your phone. No app download, nothing. You just go to anijam.ai in your mobile browser, and it works exactly the same way. So here's the interface. And honestly, the first thing you'll notice is how clean and simple it is. Big prompt box in the center, your recent projects below it, and a community section underneath that where you can see what other people are generating with their actual prompts visible. That community section alone is gold because you can click into any example, see the exact prompt that was used, and even reuse it as a template. Now, the prompt I'm going to use, I'll drop a link to it in the description. What I did was I specified the format as 16:9, set the duration to 30 seconds, gave it a style direction, a mood, described the character, a young boy with dark hair, and then I actually broke the story down scene by scene. Now, you don't have to do it scene by scene. You can just write your story in one paragraph, and the AI will figure out the scenes on its own. But if you want precise control over the story structure, scene by scene gives you exactly what you envisioned. I also included instructions for the voiceover and the background music I wanted. So it's a detailed prompt, but it results in a very specific output. I'll paste it in and hit enter. As soon as you submit your prompt, Anijam takes you to what they call the canvas. It's a bit like Comfy UI if you've ever used that. It shows you the entire production workflow as a visual node graph. Every step the agent takes becomes a node you can see and interact with. On the left side of the canvas, you've got all the individual tools: AI image generation, AI video, lip sync, motion control, character creation, voice tools. Everything is right there. But you don't have to manually go through any of that because the AI director does it for you. And you can literally see it working. On the right side, there's an agent panel, and it tells you exactly what it's doing at every moment. Right now, it's saying AI director loaded and creating outline. It reads your prompt, processes it, and generates a complete story outline. Runtime, aspect ratio, platform, audience, character details, scene breakdown, location list, story notes, all of it. And all of this appears as the first node on your canvas. After the outline, it asks you to choose a style. Based on your story, it automatically recommends 4 styles that it thinks fit your content. But if you click into the style library, check this out. There are so many options: vintage, retro radiance, neon futurism, mystical, line art, 3D Pixar style, elegant painting, you name it. And if you still can't find what you're looking for, you can just type a description of the style you want, and it'll create a custom one for you. I went with epic fantasy adventure for this story. You select it, hit confirm, and the agent starts working again immediately. Now it generates your concept images, characters, locations, everything. For my 30-second story, it generated 6 images, the main character, multiple scene locations, and the final floating city above the clouds. If you get an image back and it's not quite right, you have options. You can click directly on the image and describe what you want to change, or you can just tell the agent in the chat to regenerate the images you want, and it regenerates them right there. After the images are finalized, you pick your creation mode. There are 2 options. AI Director mode, which is what I recommend for most people. The AI makes most of the decisions intelligently and only asks you about the big ones. Or there's Workflow mode, which is like a pro mode where you manually generate every element step by step. And then you choose your video generation model. You've got CDance 2.0, which is a genuinely impressive image-to-video model, and Kling O3, which is also fantastic. Both are top-tier models for this kind of work. I confirmed CDance 2.0, and the director updated its settings and started generating video automatically. Since my video was 30 seconds total, it generated 2 15-second video segments in parallel. Both came out really well. After that, it moved right into background music generation. I just clicked the Generate Background Music button, and it produced a full 3-minute-plus music track that fits the mood of the story. Then I clicked Add Media to Timeline, and everything, both video segments, the music, the voiceover clips, all of it got assembled onto the timeline automatically. Speaking of voiceover, that part surprised me. Before adding everything to the timeline, the agent asked which voice model I wanted and let me preview it. The voice it suggested, Cowboy Bob, actually worked really well for the tone of the story. And if you don't like the suggested voice, there's a full voice library with tons of options. Once you confirm, it generates the voiceover lines and places them in the timeline automatically. Now the timeline editor. This is where you can make final tweaks. You can adjust the position of voiceover clips if they need to shift by a few seconds, control individual track volumes, mute elements, or delete anything you're not happy with. And once everything looks good, you hit the Advanced Export button. You can export in MP4, choose 720p or 1080p, set your frame rate, bitrate, codec. The default settings honestly work fine for most use cases. I exported with the watermark since I'm on the free plan. Hit Start Export, and it was done, just like that.
Please, show me the way.
When the fierce storm answered, it cleared a path ahead.
It's real.
The forgotten city had been waiting silently above the endless sky.
I'm ready.
But I want to show you one more thing before I wrap up, because I think this really drives home how versatile this tool is. I also made a burger commercial with it. Fully animated, mouth-watering, high quality, the kind of ad you'd actually expect to see on TV. Same process. Gave it a commercial prompt, it generated the outline, images, video clips, 7 voiceover files, background music, assembled everything on the timeline. And the final result genuinely looks like a professional production.
It all starts with the perfect finish line ahead. Flame grilled for a bold, unmistakable bite. Layered with slow-melting aged cheddar. Fresh crunch perfectly meets rich, complex flavors in this dish. Finished with our signature golden sauce drizzle generously on top. The first bite reveals absolutely everything about quality and flavor. Big, bold flavor that satisfies pure cravings made to remember.
If you're a brand, a content creator, a freelancer, imagine what you could do with this on client projects. And you can create for 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Reels and Shorts, so it covers everything. The link to Anijam is in the description below, and it'll get you free credits to start generating right away. Drop a comment telling me what kind of video you'd make first with this new tool. Like the video if this was useful, it really does help the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.